Audible to oh, what? What? Time. Ako lang yata nag-live dito ng walang sound, ng walang music. Nakakainis talaga. Okay, so guys, kamusta kayo? How are you? How are you all? Okay, you're not answering me. It's like talking to a wall. Look, guys, you're not talking to me. Thank you, Loki. What are you doing right now? Sorry, guys, for my voice. I'm very sleepy. Look, tingnan nyo. 11 na that pag nagtong 11, tulog na ako eh. Hey, gorgeous. Hi. Like, Sri Lanka. You're from Sri Lanka. The shirt, it's making me insane. Oh, you see it? Wait. Naka-charge kasi yung phone ko eh. Hindi ko matanggal. Okay. Mamaya. Nanood ka pa ng live ko kanina, Loki? Thank you, Luke. Guys, please don't believe that one scammer. She copied my, look, she copied my Bigo. Crazy. Tang-inang brat. Naano kasi siya eh. Thank you, Sakura. Hi. Sorry guys, I'm so sleepy. Can you talk to me or ask me some questions? It's so big. Can you see? No, I'm not nagpapakute. Why are you thinking like that? Do you have an experience about is this a job interview? What? Thank you. Thank you, Sakura. Touch it. No. How would I do that? You're not giving me bills. Look, naiinis sila sa akin pag ganyan ako eh. Teka lang, nasa kasi yung ipit ko. Hindi ko makita magpo-ponytail sana. Nakakainis.